Hello children, welcome back to the maths class. In the previous class, we have learned about the linear pair. When a line is drawn from another line, the pair of angles formed on both sides is called a linear pair. The sum of the angles of a linear pair is always 180 degree. Okay, let's go for the next part, cutting across. Today we are going to learn linear pair and opposite angles, and each pair of a opposite angle are equal. Let's do the question in your textbook, page number 11. In this figure, only one angle is given at 75 degree, that is angle BCD is 75 degree. We want to find the angle ACD. So, angle ACD is equal to, we know that the total angle must be 180 degree, that is 180 degree minus angle BCD. That's equal to 180 degree minus angle BCD is 75 degree. 180 degree minus 75 degree, that is 105 degree. So we got the angle ACD as 105 degree. Suppose we extend the upper line downwards, that is, we are extending the line to downwards and name it as E. Now, there are two more angles underneath AB. Okay, the angle at the top and the bottom on the left side of the slanted line form a linear pair. There is such a linear pair on the right side also. So, here we want to find the other two angles. Since angle ACD and angle ACE forms a linear pair. So, angle ACE and angle ACD is a linear pair. So, one angle is given, we want to find the another angle, that is angle ACE plus angle ACD. It's equal to 180 degree. Here, angle ACE is what we want to find. Angle ACE is equal to 180 degree minus angle ACD. That's equal to 180 degree minus angle ACD is 105 degree. 180 degree minus 105 degree is 75 degree. So, we got the angle ACE as 75 degree. Next, we want to find the angle BCE. Okay, similarly, here angle BCD and angle BCE is a linear pair. So, angle BCE and angle BCD form another linear pair. So, here angle BCE and BCD is a linear pair. Then angle BCE plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. And here one angle is given that for 75 degree. Okay. So, angle BCE plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. For finding angle BCE, let's move 75 degree to the right side. Angle BCE is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree. 180 degree minus 75 degree, 105 degree. So here we got the angle BCE as 105 degree. So in this figure we got the 4 angles. By this we understood that among the 4 angles made by 2 lines cutting across each other, the sum of each pair of nearby angle is 180 degree. Each pair of opposite angles are equal. Okay, let's do the another question in your textbook, page number 11. In this question, one angle is given. We want to find the other 3 angles. Okay, in this question, one angle is given. We want to find the other 3 angles. Since angle ACD and angle BCD form a linear pair. Okay, angle ACD and angle BCD is a linear pair. First we will find the angle BCD. Angle ACD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. That's equal to angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus angle ACD. So 180 degree minus angle ACD is 120 degree. 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So we got the angle BCD as 60 degree. Similarly, we want to find the angle ACE. We know that angle ACE and angle ACD is another linear pair. So the sum of the angles must be 180 degree. Angle ACE plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Angle ACE plus angle ACD. Angle ACD is 120 degree. It's equal to 180 degree. So angle ACE is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So here we got the angle ACE as 60 degree. Next we want to find the other angle, that is angle BCE. Okay, angle BCE. We know that angle BCE and BCD is a linear pair. Angle BCE and angle BCD is a linear pair. Therefore, angle BCE plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Angle BCE plus angle BCD is 60 degree. It's equal to 180 degree. So, angle BCE is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That is 180 degree minus 60 degree, 120 degree. Okay, angle BC is 120 degree. Here we got the angle BCE as 120 degree. In this figure, we got all the angles and the opposite angles are equal. So here, each pair of the opposite angles are equal. Here's an activity for you to do. That's all for today. Thank you.